Warranty claims are the lifeblood of after-sales revenue. Yet fragmented documentation, manual data entry, and outdated systems delay payouts, frustrate customers, and create costly disputes with warranty administrators. AuGENT is Soothsayer Analytics' agentic AI framework, designed to help enterprises operationalize generative AI across complex, regulated workflows. It provides a flexible foundation to build AI-driven systems for document intelligence, knowledge automation, compliance, and decision support, all with enterprise-grade governance, traceability, and control. What you're about to see is one such workflow built on the AuGENT platform. AuGENT ingests warranty documents from every touchpoint: dealership portals, service portals, email, scan stations, and mobile uploads from technicians. All documents are assembled into a single traceable case for each claim. AuGENT classifies warranty documents automatically. Service reports, diagnostics, invoices, and customer approvals. No templates and no manual sorting. It even handles handwritten notes and smartphone photos mixed with digital records. AuGENT extracts every critical data point: VIN, mileage, service date, parts, labor, warranty terms, and customer approval. Paper documents and PDFs are instantly converted into structured, claim-ready data. AuGENT validates warranty eligibility, parts, labor rates, and coverage rules against OEM policies and master data. It catches ineligible claims, pricing exceptions, and potential fraud patterns before claims are submitted. AuGENT routes exceptions to specialists with full context. Reviewers see the original documents, extracted data, and the exact rules that require review. Decisions are captured, and the system continuously improves with every interaction. AuGENT generates standardized, audit-ready claim outputs mapped directly to warranty platforms. No manual mapping and no transcription errors. Clean data is prepared instantly for submission and reconciliation. Integration agents deliver validated warranty claims directly into warranty platforms, dealership systems, and accounting systems. Claim status updates automatically, enabling payout tracking and financial reconciliation with no manual handoff. AuGENT continuously monitors claim approvals, detects disputes, and automatically triggers response workflows. Dealership teams stay informed while payout and reconciliation processes move forward without manual follow-up. AuGENT keeps customers informed throughout the warranty lifecycle. From claim submission to payout confirmation, every step is transparent, reducing support calls and strengthening customer trust. AuGENT dashboards provide real-time visibility into warranty claim performance. Leaders can track cycle times, approval rates, and financial impact, identifying opportunities to accelerate payouts and improve operational efficiency. AuGENT delivers audit-ready governance with encrypted storage, immutable audit trails, and role-based access controls. Every claim remains secure, traceable, and compliant with regulatory requirements. AuGENT orchestrates warranty claims across the entire ecosystem. OEM platforms, third-party administrators, insurance providers, and customer communication systems operate together in a unified workflow. With AuGENT, automotive organizations process warranty claims faster, reduce disputes, accelerate payouts, and deliver a better customer experience. From service completion to payout, warranty operations become a strategic advantage. AuGENT adapts to independent repair shops, aftermarket networks, and diverse warranty programs. Regardless of format or complexity, every warranty claim can be processed quickly and accurately.